Have you ever seen that movie where the little teeny tiny car is driving down in some Italian city and it turns down an alley and the alley gets narrower and narrower and narrower until the car gets stuck? It's hilarious, but it's terrible in manufacturing. You see, it's called tolerances. Did that alleyway have the tolerance necessary to let that car pass? Absolutely not. You see, somehow, some way, in developing your product, we need to have a conversation about tolerances. What are the tolerances you're going to need in any product made in any different manufacturing process that are going to be necessary to make that product successful? So one day I'm talking to a customer, we're looking at the print. Now keep in mind that the width of a human hair is about 7/1000ths of an inch. Well, on this print, every dimension that the customer had was in 10/1000ths of an inch. I mean, we're talking very tight tolerances. I mean, something that even NASA wouldn't require. And every dimension was like that, super tight tolerances. The customer was getting quotes back from manufacturers that were exorbitantly expensive. They were so expensive it was going to kill the project. Well, after having a conversation with the customer, we realized that the tight tolerances weren't necessary. The only thing that was necessary was that this part fit with this part. They needed to fit together nice and tight, and they needed to be able to rotate, and the customer needed to feel them click in place. That was it. There was no need for the cost-driving, super tight tolerances. There was a need for a good fit. Well, those are two different answers to two different questions. We can fit the customer's needs without driving that cost through the roof. So, in conclusion, let's have a conversation. You see, in any conversation, there's a potential to reduce the cost of your product. Isn't that wild? Having a conversation equals money. Thank you for your time. I wish you the greatest of success.